What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have a little bit of a mystery unboxing here. Yeah, the return label is a little bit obscured. The name of the company, I can't even really read it, but I don't remember ordering anything from this company. I am expecting 3 items in the mail. One is a helmet. This is clearly not a helmet. The other is a bag from Kenimoto, and it's like a rack. It's like a rear rack bag. So I don't think that's this, because that's going to be a much bigger box. And then the other thing is a much smaller item, some special rings from Zoos. So I don't know what this is. We're going to open it up and see just what's going on here. I'm going to be gentle with it in case it's something that can rip. Let's see. The great unboxing mystery of 2026. Oh my goodness. Holy shit. Hold on, let me get this out of here. This is a Connect suspension seat post. I did not order this. This was sent to me on behalf of Caleb and Jason. Caleb from Mod Rabbit and Jason from Jackrabbit. If you're not familiar with Mod Rabbit, it is the modifications, customizations, and upgrades arm of Jackrabbit. Check out that website. I'll put the exact link and website address below. Check that out. You can basically customize, modify, really trick out your Jackrabbit. But what the cool thing is now is they're going to start offering mods and packages for other bike companies. And the first one that they want to kind of launch with me is the Chimera. Now, if you've watched my channel, you know my Chimera is pretty much bone stock. I put a couple of little red details on it, and I'm not that happy with it. And Caleb and Jason floated the idea of, what if we work with you to do something really fun and cool for the Chimera? And at first I was like, no, I like it stock. And then I started thinking about it. I was like, man, you know, all my other bikes are yellow and black. They have like a yellow theme. And I was like, the Chimera is kind of like the king of my bikes. And I want to think about doing something with it with gold, that regal gold color. So gold, titanium black is the idea. The first piece of that puzzle is a suspension seat post, and I think this might be the gold colored one. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, it is the gold colored one. Look at that. Awesome. And this is already a custom job, because I believe it was cut to make sure that we have enough insertion depth to get on the Chimera without causing any problems. Because the Chimera has the, I'll show you video in a moment, but the Chimera has the high drive motor system, and one of the spots where the pulleys and the motor connect, it actually, the way that it's created, it cuts down on your seat tube length. So I only had about 4 inches to work with. And but yeah, this is going to be great, because the minimum insert, now I can get it way up in there. It's going to be perfect. Let's see what this is. I think these are different tension springs. Yes. Yep. These are additional springs. They are all gray. I think in the other Connect models, they are various colors. This is so cool, man. I do have an extra railed seat post that I can throw on there too as a temporary, but I think we're going to also talk about getting some other parts. Obviously, this is the first piece of the puzzle for the Chimera Gold build. We're thinking about doing rotors, handlebars, different seat, just a whole bunch of things that could really be fun for it. Maybe even suspension fork. So we'll see. Time will tell on that. It's a work in progress, but I thought this would be a cool way, now that I know what this is, this is a cool way to introduce that next series of bike mods that I'm going to do. You watched all the ones I did with my other bikes. Now the Chimera is going to get its day in the sun. Let me put this on and get going with this build. So that's it for step one of the Mod Rabbit modifications and golden build on the Chimera. Pretty simple, nice and easy. After careful examination of the seat post, it was not cut, so I might cut it a little bit. I'm going to just make sure that that's okay to do, safety-wise. I might cut it like 1.5 inches, 2 inches, so that I sit a little bit lower to the ground. That was a fun surprise unboxing, and I'm really psyched that I'm now kicking off this Golden Chimera build with the guys at Mod Rabbit. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.